Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to manage download storage on Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, and after that, after opening the Netflix app, go to My Netflix, and after that, go to Downloads and click on Setup. And as you can see here, you can manage the storage, how many storage or how much storage you want to use for downloading like movies or TV series. And you can put as much as you want. And after that, you can click on and click turn on that, like that. And now you can use that storage on your Netflix to download content on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. And see you.